In a world that never slows down, your mind can feel like it's always running at full speed. The constant emails, to-do lists, and demands leave little time to breathe. But here's the thing, finding calm doesn't require hours of meditation or a spa day. With a few simple mindfulness tricks, you can quiet your busy mind in minutes even on your most hectic days. The problem: living in a state of mental overdrive can be overwhelming. You feel stretched too thin, struggle to focus, and often find yourself snapping under pressure. Stress doesn't just affect your mind, it impacts your body too, leading to fatigue, headaches, and even insomnia. The biggest challenge? Most people feel they don't have the time or tools to deal with it. The challenge is incorporating calm into a busy day might seem impossible. How do you stay present when you're constantly being pulled in different directions? You may think mindfulness is too complicated or requires more time than you can afford. But the truth is, mindfulness isn't about stopping your life, it's about finding peace within it. The solution. Here are some quick, effective mindfulness tips designed for busy minds. Start with your breath. Feeling stressed? Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly for 6 seconds. This simple act signals your body to relax and helps ground you in the present moment. 1-minute awareness. Pause wherever you are, stop and notice your surroundings. Pay attention to the colors, sounds, and textures around you. This 1-minute practice can interrupt racing thoughts and help you reset. Gratitude. Focus. Before starting your day, list 3 things you're grateful for. This shifts your focus from stress to positivity, boosting your mood and resilience. Tech-free time. Set aside 10 minutes each day to unplug. During this time, focus on being fully present, whether you're sipping tea, taking a walk, or simply sitting quietly. Mindful movements turn daily tasks into mindful activities. For example, while washing your hands, feel the temperature of the water, the texture of the soap, and the movement of your hands. The takeaway: mindfulness doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. By incorporating these simple practices into your day, you can create moments of calm amidst the chaos. Start small, be consistent, and watch as your mind becomes clearer, your stress diminishes, and your days feel more manageable. You don't need to escape your life to find peace, you just need to be present in it.